In this Wix website builder tutorial, let's take a look at how to add guides to your Wix website. So you can add both vertical and horizontal guides, and those are ruler guides, which means you'll need to see the ruler here in the top or on the right to be able to add guides. To do that, go to your tools and make sure rulers are checkmarked. So to add a guide, you can add a vertical guide by coming up here to the top, and maybe I want to add a guide at 100 pixels. I can click it and I will add a guide there, and I can click and drag to then move that around. So that's a vertical guide that we've added, and we can click out here and add as many guides as we want and move them around just like that. Same with horizontal guides. I can just click on this right side ruler, and then we can click and just drag around and add guides in wherever we want here. And so those guides will be able to be used across your page. Now to delete a guide or delete all the guides, you'll just right click one of them. For instance, this ruler guide we can delete just by removing it, or we can remove all the horizontal ruler guides really quickly with one click, just like that. So same thing up here for the vertical guides. We can just right click it and remove them like that. Now, if you want to hide them but not remove them, all you have to do is go back up to Tools and uncheck Rulers, and you'll actually hide both rulers and any guides on your page. So that's how you can add guides and use guides on your Wix website.